everyone! Welcome back to another video with us, and today is another collaboration, and the reason today for this collab is the 10th anniversary of Jeulia. Jeulia was our first collaboration, so we are very happy that we are part of this 10th anniversary. Let's see what Jeulia have for us today to celebrate her 10th anniversary. So what is special today is also the package of Jeulia. Today we have Today we have a pink package, anniversary edition, rather than the classical one, the black one. So we have here 4 presents. There were 4 options to select, which included 4 different jewelries. We took, I think, a simple and classic. Surprise for us as well. I opened it, and here we have very nice decoration, Instagram frame. I think this one can be a good idea to make some videos or photos with that. We can do it in this way. What package includes, because Jeulia didn't only include the products, also thought about the other accessories, such as this small bag, and you can also gift it. Same design like the box, and inside have the greeting card, like you can make your wish. High quality cloth that you can clean your jewelries. The booklet of Jeulia, which includes the beautiful collections, a very unique one. Here we have the marine collection, the animal collection. Every part of this leaflet has a very strong history and very strong theme. And here we have the instructions, so you have to be sure that everything is perfect with your jewelries. In this case, you can remove the tag, otherwise no. And the last one, for every purchase of yours, you take an extra coupon. In this video, you will have also a discount code, which is AIR15 for 15% off. And edition. We have 2 boxes. The first one, oh, it's very beautiful one. I think this one can also be a very good idea for maybe the Valentine's Day, maybe it's far, so for the New Year. So the first one is one beautiful ring. This is also 61, the German size. Small stones here, very nice, and the other one is just classical. I really like it because it's simple. This one you can wear it here, probably you can also put it in this finger. I like it. The next one, oh, is a white sterling steel necklace. The hair of the mermaid create the heart. Very beautiful. This is how it looks like. Another one. Another ring is here. Oh, this one looks very special. It's a big stone and 2 small stones on the side. Looks like this is adjustable. It can fit to every finger. It's very nice one. Oh, I really like it. And the beautiful thing of Jeulia is that everything is sterling steel, so they don't change the color. Last collaboration, I got this necklace with the name of Ian. I'm not changing it at all. Another beautiful one. There are 2 rings. It has the E, the arrow. Yeah, it looks very nice. I like it. And in the other side, it has blue stone, and in the sides of the blue stone, you have white stones. It doesn't fit, you should not remove the tag. So this is the unboxing for today with Jeulia. Thank you very much, Jeulia, for including us in your 10th anniversary. We are very happy to be part of your journey and you to be part of us. This is also a small decoration for you to wish you happy birthday. So for you guys, I will see you in the next video, and don't forget to have a look on these jewelries. Why not? It can be a good idea for you, but also for your loved ones. So Kodafe, see you in the next video.